Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I've created this look that you could take anywhere, because I think right now you could get away with a little bit more eye makeup, if you know what I mean. This video is in partnership with Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to talk about my favorite products from Tarte Cosmetics. Hair is out of the way, and we're going to start with the base. And right now, if you go on tartecosmetics.com, you could pick your set. The foundations that are now part of these customizable sets are the Face Shape Foundation, Found Concealer, the Amazonian Clay, and there was another one. Oh, the Maracuja Tinted Moisturizer. So it's very easy to create your own custom sets, and you're going to save a lot of money. Basically, you just need to go on their website, click on, sets, choose the set that you want, select your shade, and that's it. With your purchase, you're going to get 3 minis, and you will see on the website the exact minis for each product. But I think it's a great deal because, for example, the Face Shape Custom Value set is $39 with a value of $67. $39 for a foundation, plus you get a primer, the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the color Exposed, Shape Tape Stay Spray. I've picked the Face Tape Foundation. I think this one has a little bit more coverage. I'm going to load my brush with the foundation, and here we go. This foundation is available in 50 shades. It has medium coverage. I tried to use as little as possible. I took a little bit on the brush and then I spread it on half of my face so you could see the difference with the left side where I haven't applied anything yet. This is a very, very thin layer of foundation. If I want to make it even more opaque, if I want more coverage, I could apply a little bit more. But my opinion is that if you want this to be very, very natural and undetectable on the skin, you just need to really work it into the skin. This is what my skin looks like after I've applied the foundation all over the face. I think it looks airbrushed. It's so beautiful. If you like a pinch more coverage, if you want that perfected skin, go for the Face Tape Foundation. Next, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's no surprise for those of you who follow me for a while that I love this concealer. It's no surprise. I mean, it's an amazing product. It has a lot of coverage. It's creamy. If you use the right amount, it's not gonna crease. You could get this all by itself, but this also exists in a set. The set has the concealer, the Shape Tape Glow Wand, and also the Fake Awake pencil. I'm going to show you how to use all 3 of them because I think, again, it's a great value for the money. So normally the concealer by itself, it's $27. But then all of these products, you will get them for $49. The value is $72. So I'm going to show you how to use all of these. Shape Tape Concealer in light medium, and I have to tell you that I did try to use the foundation under my eyes just to see the power of coverage. So now I'm going to use less concealer. And the trick about the Shape Tape Concealer is that you need a tiny little bit if you want it to perform at its best. So a little goes a long way, and I'm applying this usually under the eyes, but not too close to the lashes. You don't need concealer in there. And then what's left on the brush, a little bit on the brow bone, just so that it gives that very nice clean effect. I got you closer because I wanted to show you how to use this product. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand, and this is not a new product on my channel. I've used it before. So it has this type of applicator, and then on the other side it has that sponge that I'm not going to use. I'm not a huge fan of sponges, so I've just applied it on the back of my hand, and then simply with my finger I'm going to apply this on the highest point of the cheek. You see where there's a little bit of glow right there naturally from the foundation? I'm going to intensify that, applying this product right there, you see? And then I spread it. It's a very, very subtle product, so Don't expect the shine from the space kind of glow. It's super subtle, great for like every day, or for example when you don't really want to apply anything else on your skin, no foundation, nothing. You could apply this just as a, the way French people say, a coup d'éclat, meaning just a pinch of luminosity on your skin. And this you could apply also, you know, on the bridge of the nose, wherever you want to highlight. I'm going to show you how to use the Fake Away pencil in a little bit, but now we're going to talk about their palettes. They do have these customizable sets that include their iconic palettes. For example, you have the Eyes on the Prize, a bundle that is a $49 set with a 62 value. You get the Main Eater mascara and the Tartelette Toasted palette. Oh God, that was close. This is what the palette looks like. It has a lot of warm neutrals, a lot of golden shades. If you like more of that bronzy look, I think you would love this palette. You get a mirror with it. They're very solid. The Man Eater mascara looks like this. This is the wand. I think a lot of you are more interested about the wand. And then the other set that for me, it's more interesting just because I love the colors from the Tartelette In Bloom palette. And I also love the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I've been using this mascara for a very long time. This is more neutral colors. As you can see, it does have some warmer colors, but it's not as warm as the Toasted palette. So I'm going to choose this one to apply my makeup. And this has the same price. It's a $49 set with a value of $62. All right, I'm gonna start with the color Smarty Pants, this one right here. I'm smiling because my friend Clément, who is my first French friend, calls me like that. And now, since, you know, we're all watching Emily in Paris, we know how hard it is to make friends in Paris. And this is how he calls me, Miss Smarty Pants. So I'm gonna take a little bit of what's left on my concealer brush first, do a quick swipe, and then get this eyeshadow. Just because I wanted to start with a clean base. And this palette, I can assure you, this is probably one of the easiest palettes to be used by beginners. First of all, it doesn't have fallouts unless you are super heavy-handed. And also what I like about it is that it's incredibly easy to blend. These eyeshadows will never stain, will never look patchy, muddy, even if you are a beginner, like I said. Next, I'm going to take the color Jet Setter, this one right here, and apply this in the crease. My crease is already obvious. Now I'm going to take a smudger brush and use the color right here. It's called Leader. It's a very dark, chocolatey eyeshadow. And this one, I will place it at the base of the lashes. And then, using the shape of the brush, I'm stamping. Can you see? I'm literally stamping a wing right there, which is not going to remain a wing. It's just a shape that's going to help guide the makeup, but you will see in a second what we're gonna do. So I add more product right here at the end. Then I take a smaller brush and blend it. And blend it pretty much everywhere. Next, I'm going to take the color Rebel right here, get it right at the outer corners so I could create like a beautiful connection, I guess, between the eyeshadows right here. And I take my time here to blend. With that same chocolatey color, the Leader, I'm gonna stamp, literally use the brush to stamp the eyeshadow at the base of my lower lashes, but not too precise, so I just use my finger to spread it. and not too close to the inner corner because that's not very flattering on my eye. But if you have big eyes, that might actually look very, very pretty on you. Now I'm going to make my own mix between the Firecracker and Funny Girl. And I literally take them with the finger, blend them on the back of my hand, and apply them as if they were cream eyeshadow. You see, I sort of like pull a little bit the eye. Not crazy, but just in the middle of the eyelid. Then I take a brush and only apply a little bit of the Funny Girl eyeshadow on the inner corner. I needed something that's a bit lighter. And then in here as well. I told you I was going to show you how to use this pencil. This is a great product to use when you are tired or to give you the illusion that your eyes are bigger. You could apply this on the waterline and it just opens up the eyes. As soon as you apply it, it might look a little bit weird, but give it time. You know, as you blink, the product will melt just a little bit, like just enough. Now I'm gonna apply the mascara, Lights Camera Lashes mascara. How fantastic is this mascara? The packaging of this mascara is like very young, but inside you're going to find a mature, experienced mascara. Lower lashes as well. No, honestly, this is like great value set. Really, really good. I love this. Next, I'm gonna use the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush. You have 4 blushes, a highlighter, and a bronzing powder. And this is only $45. I think that you get a lot of product for $45. One of the things that I love about palettes in general is that I can custom create the color that I want. So for example, I've mixed these 2 colors right here. Alright, so I'll apply this on the cheek. Then I'm going to take the bronzer in the palette and just hug the cheek with it. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, now the last set that I'm going to talk about is for the lips, actually for the mouth. So this one is called Plump and Perfect Your Pout Bundle. And it includes a maracuya. Is that how you pronounce it? Somebody was trying to correct me on Instagram. Maracuya, I said, and she was like, no, that's not how you say it. But you get the point. This is Maracuya Juicy Lip. That's available in 9 different shades. And then a limited edition Pearly Girl Vegan Teeth Whitening Pen. This one. So this is the whitening pen that you're supposed to be using on each tooth. For me, the exciting part will always be the lip product. I love a good lip product. I can't get enough of them. And these are actually really nice. Very juicy, very glossy like finish, but they don't have that texture of a gloss. These are the colors that I have. So I've got 7 plus the clear one. To be honest with you, I really like the clear one. Let me show you really quick. Don't press too hard because the product is very creamy. Okay? So if you press, it's going to kind of melt. This is very thick, like protecting your lips, not as in ugh, thick, you know? I like the clear one a lot. But I'm gonna take this off because I actually want to show you real color. Okay, let's try this color. This is Rose. What is this made of? Ah, I pressed too much. I told you it's very balmy like. As you can see, it doesn't have like a crazy amount of color. It's just a little bit of tint, but the lips look so juicy. And it works with this makeup because this makeup has a lot of mattes and just a pinch of shimmer. All right, everyone, and this is the final look. Also wanted to tell you that this makeup look is very mask friendly and mask appropriate, if I could say that, because the accent is on the eyes and on the lips. It's just a tinted product, so it won't really smudge and it's going to keep your lips hydrated. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions about the products. You have a link in my description box where you could save 15% with your purchase. So make sure you check that out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.